If you want to change the document units in Affinity, here's how to do it. As you can see in the transform panel, my document is currently using pixels as the unit of measurement. To change it, I can go to the top menu, click Document, Setup, then Document Setup, or I can press Ctrl D or press Escape to deselect everything, then head to the context toolbar and click Document Setup. Now under Document Units, I can change it to whatever I need. I'll switch it to millimeters and click OK. Now if you take a look at the transform panel again, it's already updated to millimeters. However, if I go to the stroke panel, you'll notice the unit is still in points. But I can actually change it to millimeters directly from here. Let me show you. I'll grab the pen tool and draw a simple line on the canvas. Then I'll go to the stroke panel and set the width to, let's say, 50 points. Now if I want to switch it to millimeters, I can simply type it in directly. Let's say 2 millimeters. And now you can see the line is set to 2 millimeters, even though it still displays in points. Same goes for the transform panel. I can type in a value with a different unit directly into the field if I want to measure it in something else. So right now it's in millimeters, and I'm going to switch it to pixels. I'll type in 100 pixels, and there we go. Though it will still display as millimeters, the line's width is now 100 pixels. And that's all there is to changing the document units in Affinity. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.